Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Light green color, dark green color, orange color, red color, dark blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, brown color, violet color, purple color, black color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for avocado. B for bus. C for chocolate. D for doll. E for eggplant. F for fruits. G for grapes. H for house. I for iron. J for jam. K for king. L for lollipop. M for moon. N for nuts. O for ox. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for star. T for toy. U for uniform. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.